And now, at last, the big day has arrived.
Three, two, one.
I am deliriously happy to see the museum finally occupied by the public. It's a dream come true, really. And I think, David, you're seeing people here today taking over this public monument, this National Museum, would have made him feel really great. I can't prove it, but I'm quite sure it would have been that way.
Just truly overwhelming to see something that you've worked on for so long and so hard with so many people come together like this. You know, the people I talked to today, they all talk about their memories that they have of this museum and the memories that they had as a child coming here and how they're bringing their children back. And for us, that is just so touching because that's exactly where we wanted it to be.
What we were building, what we were creating or reconstructing was the Museum of Natural History for the 21st century. And I think we've done that. This museum has so many stories to tell, and to be able to observe people in numbers chatting with each other as they stand in front of these wonderful dioramas or in front of the 65-foot whale in the new water gallery. We couldn't ask for more.
Of course, you see it under construction, you wonder what's going on exactly, but when you're actually inside, it's an absolute marvel.
It's really great to see so many people here too, enjoying the science and everything there is to see, so it looks fantastic.
I think it's really child-friendly, like everything is at an eye level, everything is very nicely explained. It's so open and airy and light. It's a very inviting place.
I came here with a very deep feeling about what national museums could do and could be for Canada. What is so fundamentally wonderful here is that we've been given the opportunity to make that real.